Hi everybody, I'm Leah of seejanedrill, and I gotta tell you this, I'm glad you joined us today because I got something really different and really exciting to share with you. So here's the thing, if you're involved in a kitchen or bathroom remodel, or maybe you did one in the past, I can almost guarantee you were looking at solid stone surfaces for countertops, like marble, granite, quartz. Maybe what you found out was this stuff is pricey, as much as $60 a square foot, to choose the stone and have it installed. So we're talking about thousands and thousands of dollars. Well, here's the thing. seejanedrill is in the process of doing a kitchen remodel master series. And I was looking on YouTube and I was trying to find alternatives that I could show people so that they don't get caught up in spending thousands and thousands of dollars on countertops. And I came across this great YouTube channel called Stone Coat Countertops. Two really terrific people are involved in this, Mike and Kathryn, wonderful folks. I had to go down there and meet them, and I had to see close up for myself. And I gotta tell you, I was absolutely amazed. Check this out. Hi everybody, I'm Leah of seejanedrill. Now today, well, we're not in Seattle, we're in Southern Oregon, and we're at the Stone Coat Countertops headquarters, and we're talking with Mike here. He's the creator of a very unique product that you're gonna love, because I fell in love with it, and I just had to share it with you. Mike, tell me something about this unique product.
You know, necessity is the mother of invention, as we know, and we had a need to be able to create countertops on top of your old surfaces. If you're wanting a project that you're building a new surface for, this is very versatile. As you can see, there's a lot of different looks that you can do, and we love that do-it-yourself customers and do-it-yourselfers can do this with ease.
This is fantastic. So that's it. Pretty cool, right? Now I want to tell you right off the bat that this is a collab. It's not a sponsored video. We found them on YouTube and we loved Mike and Kathryn and we wanted to see their product up and close, and that's why we went down to Southern Oregon. Now what I'll do is I'll place a link in the description below the video to their YouTube channel so you can go there and you can see the process in its entirety, because our video today, it was just an overview, and on their YouTube channel they take you through it step by step by step, just like we do on seejanedrill. Now, one last thing, they're offering a discount to seejanedrill viewers. So if you're in the middle of something like a kitchen or bathroom remodel, check it out for yourself. This is Leah saying, you can do this. See you next time.